Welcome to C and C++ language. For this episode, I will solve this equation with bisection methods. And for the bisection methods, I show you develop the code in the last EP, maybe EP 16. Here, this is a bisection methods. The bisection methods have finding the center by calculate from the left hand side. It is represent the lower bound and upper bound. Calculate the middle point here and move it to the optimal to the root of the function. Now we will write the code in C language, and for this I show you write on computer and compile on my computers. The first step, we write the function. Okay, here now I complete at the part of the create the function. Here this function write is in C language here. And now we will write the code for the making the uh, bisection methods. The first step, the bisection method should have 3 points. It is a, B, and middle point. So I create a variable to keep at the location A, B, and C. And also the bisection methods use a lower bound and upper bound to calculate the middle points. Here for this, I create I calculate the middle point here. This is a plus b divided by 2. A plus b divided by 2. Here this is calculate at the A point and pin on screen, and then calculate at B point. Then calculate at the middle point. Now we will consider at the movement that is moved from the left or right, or paste a variable middle point to A or B, and then I will pin the screen about the value to determine moving. Now I have a problem. This function is show return NaN. Now we will solve the NaN value. The first step for after finding the NaN, I think I should check the function here by test the code. Okay, here this is occur by inside this function calculate. This is a return NaN, and is the equation is x power 2 subtraction square root 3 times x minus 6. Okay, now for the minus 10 is error. Maybe I change the value is minus 5. this is maybe it's not the negative part, so I 0. Okay, 0 is okay. Now I change the lower bound because of this function. This is when I set this lower bound is sub in the negative part. This is generate the NaN. So the lower bound is 0 and upper bound is 10. Before I write this function, I test it on a quadratic function x power 2. That is simple when compared with this function. Okay, now we will test the code. Okay. Here for this is running only one step. And you will see this for one step. It is the middle point is 15, and the left side is -6, and the right side is 88, and for the middle point it is 15. That is result that's calculated from the function here. And so after that, after getting the result this, we will compare moving left or right by calculate this by showing which one is multiplied by the middle point. It is greater than 0. We will move is the part here. This is a greater than 0. We will move this. Okay, we write the condition here. Now we print out the x, a, b, and c. Okay, run the code again. Here this is moved to 0 5, and then we will write the loop to cover the code from here to here for run in the iteration 2, 3 until finding the root. So you will see this is a movement from start. I run it again. Here, this is the first iteration, 0 5, and moving down to 2.5 and 5, and moving down until the value is 0.x. Okay, now I set 100 iteration. For the 100 iteration is move forward until get the best position is 3. And for here I will print out the number of the iteration that get the best value. So the number of the iteration here, this is a number of the iteration, and run the code again. Okay, I forgot the operator. Here we is going up. It's found the best value at the iteration it starts from the iteration 39 no not 39. It is iteration here 20. It is iteration 20. Get the results here. Okay, for this code you can implement in your project by change the function here. From this you put your objective function to this and change the lower bound and upper bound. Don't forget to check the NaN value before compile the code. If you found the NaN or Na value, it is maybe generate the infinite or error output. Okay, here I think for this episode and this example complete. See you the next example. สวัสดีครับบ๊ายบาย